Will you retire by the end of next year because AI will take over your life, as Elon Musk promised?
The short answer is no. We're going to see results of this large language model, generative AI, quote unquote, revolution being very uneven.
How do you convince your clients that your system and your data is trustworthy as a system?
You need testing and evaluation and maintenance capabilities to evaluate the models and make sure that they're working as expected and to the thresholds that you need. There are some contexts where trust really does matter, and trust is this complex property of relationships. We often encourage our clients to think about where large language models or generative AI are not going to work. And I think this is an important feature of grounding this technology and ensuring its success for institutions. Don't set expectations that the technology and the technology providers can't live up to.
I would like to know what Palantir does to balance like the ethical considerations with privacy concerns and the complexities with the military.
We all hear about the fog of war and the difficulties that emerge in warfighting settings. Those are complexities that need to be built out and understood in the use of these technologies to make them useful.
Should we also run like crazy because this is the revolution that's going to take away everything, and whoever rules in AI will rule the world? Or is that just another tech hype that will end up in tears like we had before?
There are mysteries in the world. There are open-ended mysteries where we don't actually understand what the right approach would be, and there is no right approach. And that requires a different way of thinking about problem solving generally. Until we figure out a way to codify that and then translate that into some kind of machine-based algorithm, I don't think we're going to necessarily make progress against these types of challenges.
Is there something that worries you about the use of AI being commercially, military? What will be your concerns?
We see the massive proliferation of misinformation and disinformation, and the way that it impacts the political environment, the way that it impacts our general understanding of what's truthful. The common epistemological framework that pulls us together as a society can be eroded at scale through the use of this technology, and that is something that's genuinely scary.